Hi, I'm Navina Ganesan with John Greene Realtor, and today I'm excited to introduce this month's Circle of Friends partner, Cassandra Pauling of Weld Weston. Weld Weston provides a permanent jewelry and a hat bar experience throughout Naperville and surrounding suburbs. Cassandra, can you tell our Circle of Friends a little bit about Weld Weston?
Sure, I'd be happy to. Weld Weston is a local permanent jewelry experience that does private events and partners with local small businesses within our community as well as local charities. We have an extensive selection of 14 karat gold filled sterling silver and solid 14 karat gold chains that can be customized to fit perfectly to you to make the perfect bracelet, anklet, or necklace. How can you get welded? Host your own private party or follow us on social media and come see us at one of our many pop-ups within Naperville and the surrounding suburbs. Through the Circle of Friends, we are offering buy one, get one half off or $10 off your purchase.
That sounds interesting. Check out our website to learn more about Circle of Friends and Weld Weston. And to our clients, be on the lookout for this exclusive offer. Thank you, Cassandra.
Thank you.